my name is Mharz, and in today's video, we are going to do another Gunpla build. It's been a while since I did this, but today we are building an SD Hyaku Shiki from the G generation lineup. With that out of the way, let's go build this. Alright, here we are. I have to say, this thing is so cute! Oh my god, it's so small! I didn't really expect it to be this small. I mean, look at this. I'm putting it side by side with its big brother, the Zeta Gundam, and it's like half of its height. Nonetheless, I really think it's so adorable. A nice fine addition to my collection.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried making this in a similar fashion as the other Gunpla videos out there, and let me know in the comments how well I did. If you like to see more, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that G-dang bell. Any kind of engagement will help this channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
And since you reached the end, how about checking some of my other videos over there by the right of your screen? I'm pretty proud of these videos even though it's not professionally made, so give it a shot! Go on!